Kaka yore Futo mago eko makor Lwasi yotulore gi loch gwenge mondo okonygi e chenro mag dongruoge. Kotelnegi kod Velma Seko owacho ni mano ero biro konyo sirkand kaunti ma Migori neno ni girwako weche go eko mag lokruoge mag kor Lwasi e budget margi. Jakom mano ero mar Migori County Civil Society Migosi Titus Orwa owacho ni weche motenore kod Futo mar kor Lwasi poko kaw motegno to mana koluwore ni kod onge kata koluwore ni onge chike makare kendo motegno bende yango kaka onego timgi.
And we are looking at how best to mainstream climate change actions into that plan.
So we are here today to say that so far we worked so hard last year until now. The Migori County has climate change policy, climate change act, and I think the fund regulation. So what we are saying in that act, there is a 2% that is supposed to be allocated from the annual budget for the county to go towards the climate change issues in the county. We are saying that the next financial year, we want to see whoever will be managing will be the chief executive of the county, that is the governor, to ensure that one, the allocation of 2% is in the budget. We shall make a follow-up. Two, the committees that are supposed to be formed right from the county up to ward level, we want to see the implementation of that act fully. Today, we have developed a memorandum that we shall be presenting to the Department of Economic Planning.
Basically, we wanted to make sure that we go through the county integrated development plan to see if all other departments have mainstreamed climate change. We realize that climate change is cross-cutting, and most of the time the burden is left to the environment department to budget for that. And because it's cross-cutting, we had to go through the major departments, which is energy. We went through energy, went through agriculture, and we went through environment. Those three departments were identified from the second generation CIDP. What were the gaps? What was planned? Was it achieved? And if it was not achieved, what was the reason why it was not achieved? So for come across, we have given a recommendation in our memorandum so that whatever was not implemented in the second generation CIDP should be carried forward to the third generation CIDP and make sure that these things are, they are all captured. And we also realize that most of the departments are not taking into consideration climate change issues. So they're basically budgeting for their department, but they're not addressing. There's no clear information if whatever they're budgeting for is addressing climate change. So we want all the departments to come out clean and identify, because we have a budget for it, so that moving forward, all departments are putting into consideration matters to do with climate change. So thank you. From all the departments need to share the 2%, but they cannot have it because they have not